I didn't tell my husband about the guilt that I was feeling not contributing to our family finances. You see, I was a stay-at-home mom. I chose to stay home to be that person who would run something to the high school or the school when the kids forgot it. Be there to make their breakfast and get them off to school. Take care of the house while they were gone. I knew that what I was doing was important, but I still had this looming guilt. Anytime an unexpected bill or something popped up, that guilt was there to remind me that I wasn't contributing financially. What I was doing was important, but it still wasn't bringing in any money. And that weighed on me all of the time. My husband worked a hard job, a union carpenter all his life, backbreaking work. He provided us a good life, but we didn't have extravagance. Any money that came in went for whatever the kids needed. We didn't take vacations, things like that when the kids were growing up. So, things were tough. And when something unexpected came in, we felt it. And I never explained to him how I was feeling about that. I kept that all to myself. That was something that I didn't want to pile on him about. So I kept it to myself. Now, I tried different things as the kids were growing up, particularly network marketing when they were little. And I love doing network marketing. I enjoyed the products. I enjoyed taking the products. And that's one of the things about network marketing. You have to use the products. If you're going to sell the products, you have to carry a certain amount of inventory in order to make any money with the company or be qualified to earn commissions. So that was one of the downsides. One of the other downsides that I didn't like was that you only kept a percentage of what you sold. And I really hated bugging my friends and family, to have parties for me. I dreaded that. I hated the no's. I hated the pressure I put on my family. And we lived in a small town. I even had people that would avoid me in our local grocery store because they knew what I did. And that was brutal. After a while, I just couldn't do it anymore. I just was kind of stuck, not knowing what to do. No skills, because here I am now. The kids are all grown, off, living their best lives. Everyone's happy. I couldn't be more proud of how they've turned out. But now I have this huge gap of employment history in my, my resume. And then you're looking at not really having a lot of tech skills on top of that. So I'm not a very desirable hire at my age. And then one day, I got a Social Security statement in the mail. And it was a big slap in the face to remind me that you didn't pay into Social Security all those years. So now this is all you're going to get, And it was like $600 a month if I took Social Security at 62, which I had planned to do. And I thought, that's not going to be enough. It's not going to cut it. I have to, and here comes that guilt again, nagging on me, telling me you got to do something, because my husband now, he's retired and he likes to be busy. So he has a little side job that he does because it makes him feel good. But I also know that we are feeling the pressure now as we're getting older. If an unexpected bill comes up, because I did have some health problems that brought in some hospital bills, we felt that pressure, and I'm thinking, oh God, I don't want to, have to pile on my kids any type of debt or anything like that. When we go, I don't want them to have to worry about anything like that. I want to be able to enjoy my kids' adult time and spend time with them and vacation with them and holiday with them and not have to worry about money. And so I knew I had to do something. And I was this close to actually considering network marketing again when I came across a video on YouTube. This gal named Wendy, she was talking to me about this free blueprint. And there's a link down in my bio. You can get it from there. This blueprint told me that I could put in 2 hours a day, income producing activity, which I thought was great because I didn't want to take all my time away learning new skills or trying something new again. And she said 2 hours a day, you can get your work done. She said, you don't have to have any tech skills, which is good because remember, I was off work all those years. And she said, you don't have to have any experience and you keep 100% profit. And I thought, holy cow, after working in network marketing for years, I knew how important that was. And she said, and there's no monthly expenses. And I'm like, this is crazy. I have to find out what this is, because if this is all true, this could be the answer that I've been looking for. This could be what alleviates that stress that's been nagging on me for years. She said, there is no obligation. The blueprint is free. You get it, you look at it. If it's right for you, if this program that she was telling me about, she goes, if it's right for you, great. If it's not, that's fine too. And I want to extend to you the same blueprint that Wendy gave to me. The looming retirement is coming up, and you're looking at your finances and you're thinking, I am not going to be able to retire. I can retire, but that money is not going to go very far. And then I'll be constantly stressed out about, can I get groceries this week? Or, oh my gosh, what if I have a doctor's appointment? What am I going to pay? My electricity, or my doctor's appointment, my bill. I want you, if that's you, if this is resonating with you, this blueprint has changed how I look at my future now. I have this hope now that I had lost a long time ago. Hope that I can do this, and that there is, a light at the end of this tunnel. I learn a few skills and I implement, and there is a big possibility that everything I've been worried about for all these years would be gone. The stress of not having enough money, the stress of just having something to do with my life at this point, all of that would be gone. And that guilt and stress that I was feeling all those years wouldn't have been for nothing. So I want you to have the same blueprint. Like I told you, it is free. You just comment blueprint down below and I'll send you the link. You can take a look at it. If you have any questions, you can reach out and ask me. If this is something for you, great. Just like it was when Wendy extended me the blueprint. She said, if it's good for you, great. If it's not a fit for you in your life, that's good too. You do you. And there is no pressure. And I want you to have that same opportunity. Without this blueprint, you won't have the information to make an educated decision on whether this fits for you or not. So comment blueprint below. I'll give it to you. And then hit me up if you have any questions.